Here's the 1999 3-ton Goodman air conditioner. Got my hair stylist running. A hot day. Storm's coming in though now, so it's too hot. About 10 o'clock in the morning. Has an A.O. Smith fan, a Bristol Reciprocating compressor. It's loud, very loud. And down there in the basement, you can kind of see some ductwork. It's matched up to a Goodman 90% efficient gas furnace. The suction line's cold and sweaty. The liquid line is hot. Alright, I'll be right there. That was just my mom. And it's 3-ton from 1999, model number CK36-1A. And the serial number starts with 9906. June of 1999, a year before I was born. So, there you go. That's pretty much it.